Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Bowdabra to make this gorgeous grapevine wreath in only minutes. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is take our Bowdabra bow wire. I'm going to fold it in half, and I want to make it long enough so that I can actually tie it around the grapevine wreath. So I'm going to fold it in half, lay it down into my Bowdabra. I'm going to just let the ends be tucked underneath to stay out of my way. Then I'm going to take my leaves, my greenery, and I'm just going to lay that down into the Bowdabra. Then I'm going to take my wisteria and lay this down, maybe put it in right here, into my Bowdabra. And then I'm going to take my leaves and lay them going up here, and my Queen's Anne lace, and lay that down in here. And then take my roses, and I think these are so pretty. And this makes a great spring home decor wreath, or it could also be used on your door. So we're going to just lay in our tails, and I've just put both tails in together. And we've already dovetailed the ends. You definitely want to dovetail the ends so that it looks finished. You could also roll your ends, but I actually prefer the dovetail. I think it's more elegant. And now I'm going to take our beautiful butterfly ribbon, and I'm just going to twist it, and I'm going to fold it back and twist, and fold it back and twist. Now, if you haven't ever watched our videos before, put in the comments how you heard about Bowdabra. And if you have watched them, do the same thing. Put in the comments how you heard about Bowdabra. And we're just going to fold this back over here and twist and finish off with a little bit of a smaller loop. Oh, no, we're not. Actually, I forgot. I have another ribbon. So now I'm going to twist it, lay this down. So I get so excited talking that I forget what I'm doing. And now we're just going to fold this back over, and all we're doing again here is fold and twist. And the reason I twist is so that the wrong side or the ugly side of the ribbon is on the inside of the loops. And twist and fold and twist. And also don't forget that every Monday, and now I'm going to do my half a loop, that every Monday at 4 p.m. Pacific, 5 p.m. Eastern, 5 p.m. Mountain, 6 p.m. Central, and 7 p.m. Eastern, either myself or one of our Bowdabra designers do a Facebook Live or a YouTube Live. So please follow us on Facebook or subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you'll get notified when we have a live. So we're just going to pull this through. And what's really cool is on the live, we always have a giveaway. So pull this here that you have the opportunity to win. And now I'm just going to pull this out of my Bowdabra, and I'm going to pull it really tight, pull it around to the back, my leave out of there, and I'm going to tie it, pull it extremely tight, and tie it a knot. And now I'm going to shape this by bringing my around here, just because I want it to go around the side of the wreath. And we're going to now shape this out and shape this, and let's go here. So we definitely would love you to stop by and say hi to us on our lives. I'm going to clip this here, and let's take our button loop. And because we really have a great group of people that join us every Monday on our lives, and it's so fun to have everybody there. So we're just going to keep shaping this, and then I'm going to take it and I'm going to tie it onto my wreath. And tie this here, and we'll tie a knot. Let me just knot that there. So now I'm just going to finish fluffing out my bow and fluff it here, fluff this one out, fluff this loop a little bit more. And you have this gorgeous spring or summer grapevine leaf. Grapevine wreath. Thanks, I have trouble, a little tongue-tied tonight. But everybody, thank you so much for watching, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.